Hey guys, thank you for visiting our channel. We do appreciate each and every one of you. So today we have a really good tutorial coming up, and it's about getting rid of text messaging services that have started text messaging you and you don't want them to, right? So this is going to show you guys how to remove yourself from these text messaging services. So make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss any of our videos. God bless. Hi, thank you for visiting our channel. So this tutorial is going to help you learn how to remove yourself from unwanted marketing text messages. I know if any of you guys are like me, you receive tons of them. Have you been putting up with robocalls? The holidays have soon passed by, but you're still receiving those annoying text messages from companies that you either purchase product from or were thinking about purchasing product from. How to remove yourself from unwanted marketing text messages. They are still texting you every day or several times a week, and that's annoying. So one of the worst things of all is there are no instructions on how to remove yourself from receiving these annoying text messages. I'm not sure why no one created it. So let's solve the problem. Here's how you do it. First of all, it's pretty simple. Reply to the annoying text message with the simple words stop, end, quit, or unsubscribe. And that should do it. Problem solved. Now take that, you unwanted callers. Make sure you subscribe, like, and comment. We appreciate your time, and God bless.